Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making teriyaki chicken. You will need 2 chicken breasts, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 3 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and spring onion for garnishing. In a small bowl, combine the orange juice, soy sauce, and honey. Add the ginger and sesame oil, then whisk until well combined. To a frying pan or wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and bring to medium temperature. Add the chicken and white pepper and cook until the chicken just starts to brown. Pour off the excess oil, reduce the heat, then add the butter. Now add the sauce and simmer until your sauce has reduced by 2/3. Add the onions and sesame seeds, and now it is ready to serve. This is a quick and easy recipe that your family will love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab